Ahí va. Hi, beauty. Hi, Petra. Hi, Lisa. Hi, Sparko. Hi, Lisa. Hi, Sparko. Oh. Hello, Ellie. Hello, Ellie. Hello, Ellie. Hello, Ellie. Hello, Ellie. Good afternoon. Χαίρετε. Sunday today. It's hot, but it's windy and it's not so bad. It's about 32 degrees, but it's windy and it's not so bad. Today we don't have workers in the shelter. It's more peaceful, but more busy. So I wanted to go online a little bit so you see what's going on out here. Most of the well, nearly all of the dogs, they are relaxing now because it's hot. I will go to show you Chrysa and her puppies, and after I will go also to relax. That's what their dogs are doing now. You see them? They are all under those trees, beautiful trees. They make a very good shade for the dogs. They are under the trees, they are relaxing, and they are everywhere, everywhere. All the dogs, they are hiding in the trees now. And they are not suffering from the heat. The dogs are free. Look, they even enjoy it. They go up and down. Free and happy. All the people who have dogs locked in chains, they have to free them. Όλοι όσοι έχετε σκυλιά δεμένα σε αλυσίδες, ας τα έχετε τουλάχιστον σε ένα καλό περιβάλλον. Να έχουν δροσιά, μακριά, αλυσίδα, ό,τι ορίζει ο νόμος. Εδώ τα σκυλιά στο καταφύγιο βλέπετε πως είναι, ελεύθερα σε τεράστιους χώρους. Όλοι λοιπόν όσοι έχετε σκυλιά δεμένα σε αλυσίδες, βάλτε μυαλό, γιατί υπάρχει και η τιμωρία. Τηρήστε τον νόμο, να έχετε λίγο ανθρωπιά, να μην υποφέρουν τα ζωάκια. So, I said in Greek that the people who have locked dogs in chains, at least they must have them in a good conditions and follow the law, because they can pay a lot of money. Anyway, all the people who have dogs locked in chains, they have to take care of them. They must have them in good conditions, or they die in these heat waves. when it's heat wave and a dog is suffering locked in a chain, he will die. Anyway, let's see now Chrysa and her puppies. And after I go to relax. Chrysa mu. Hello baby. Look at Chrysa. Sunday for Chrysa with her funny ear. Her ear is going like this all. I found her like this. She has a funny ear, but so cute, so cute. So cute. Let's go to see your puppies, Chrysa. Here it was Petrula and her puppies. All of them, they come to say hello. In this place it was Petrula and her puppies. Petrula is adopted. Some of her puppies are in another bigger area with trees. And one of her puppies is in my house. All of them are doing great. So in this area now is Chrysa and her puppies. It's a really good place because it's really cool inside here. It's so cool. It's so cool. You can't imagine how cool is this place. No hot at all. And the puppies are so happy. So happy, so beautiful. Look how cute they are. And they are socialized because the volunteers are coming here every day. And Chrysa is socialized now. They have lots of water and food. Chrysa wants to play. Lots of water. They can even jump inside if they want. Lots of water, lots of food. The blankets there, but they made a mess. They are digging the little stones and the soil and they make a mess. We clean all the time, no problem. Nice and clean, no poop. They are digging all the time. It's really cool inside here, not hot at all. And the puppies, here we have no workers today. Look, the puppies, they come far away to do their needs, the poop. You see? They make their needs, the toilet, far away from the place where they eat and sleep. And we clean for them. So this is Chrysa and her puppies. So beautiful. Chrysa, 7 puppies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My beautiful Chrysa. She's very lucky, very, very lucky. We took her in the shelter. 1 day or 2 days, I can't remember well. I think it was 2 days before she gave birth. 2 days or 3, I don't remember well. They are so healthy, so beautiful. They are amazing. They are amazing. Oh, we should bring some toys for them here. We should bring some toys. Actually, I see some toys. The volunteers, they bring some toys, but the puppy destroy them. Toys. 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 They are not interesting for toys. They want human. They want to play with human. And Chrysa also. Oh, beautiful Chrysa. Taxi Chrysa mu happy? Happy girl. Happy mama. Happy mama. Happy Chrysa. We wish you to have a beautiful Sunday from Chrysa, her puppies, and me. So I want to say one more time to all those people who they have dogs or any kind of animal. Any kind of animal if they have, even if it's locked or not locked, they have to take care of it. If it's a heat wave, the animals, they can die if it's too hot. They should open their homes and let the animals inside when it's a heat wave. And not only when it's a heat wave, but all the time, but especially now when it's a heat wave, we should take care of our animals more. Φροντίστε τα ζώα σας τώρα που έχει καύσωνα. Και να μην έχει καύσωνα πάλι φροντίστε τα εννοείται, αλλά ένας λόγος παραπάνω όταν έχει τόσο ζέστη, φροντίστε τα. Μην τα έχετε δεμένα σε αλυσίδες να καίγονται από τον ήλιο. Αμαρτία από το Θεό ρε παιδιά. Έλεος. Τι θα χάσετε δηλαδή άμα τους προσφέρετε μια καλύτερη ζωή. Έχετε να χάσετε τίποτα, μόνο να κερδίσετε μπορείτε. Την ηρεμία σας. Αλλιώς θα το βρείτε μπροστά σας. Μιλάω για αυτούς που έχουν τα σκυλιά σαν εργαλεία και τα έχουν δεμένα για κάποιους λόγους. Ας βάλουν μυαλό γιατί υπάρχει και θα το βρουν μπροστά τους, έτσι κι αλλιώς. Δεν υπάρχει περίπτωση. Okay, so I have to go now, Chrysa. I have to go. I have to go to eat something and try to rest. Time to go. The puppies are happy now. They will start to play. They are so cute. They grow up and they started to play. I remember the first day when they born. They was look at them. Look at this beautiful. Yeah, puppies. Happy tails. Oh, look at them. Bye bye. Γεια σας φίλοι μου. Bye bye. Have a lovely Sunday. Bye bye. Bye puppies. Playtime. Playtime. Have a happy Sunday. Bye bye. Γεια σας. Να έχετε μια όμορφη ήρεμη Κυριακή. Bye Chrysa. Miracle. Lord. Jenny. Rudy. Rudy. Miracle. Malu.